How can users improve their ranking on Instagram stories?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into the world of Instagram stories and how you can improve your ranking on this popular platform. This is particularly important because Instagram uses an algorithm to determine what content to show first in the story feed, so knowing how to optimize your stories will give you a better chance of reaching your audience.
What determines your Instagram stories ranking?
The first thing we need to understand is that Instagram's algorithm is primarily based on user behavior and engagement. It takes into account factors such as 1. Interaction history. If a user often interacts with your content, they're more likely to see your stories first. 2. Interest prediction. The algorithm predicts what content a user might be interested in based on their past behavior. 3. Timeliness. Recent stories are more likely to appear first.
How can you improve your ranking?
Now that we understand what influences the ranking, let's discuss strategies to improve your Instagram stories ranking. 1. Post consistently. Consistency is key when it comes to Instagram stories. The more regularly you post, the better chance you have of appearing in your followers' feeds. 2. Engage with your audience. Make your stories interactive by using features like polls, questions, and quizzes. The more your audience engages with your stories, the higher your ranking will be. 3. Use relevant hashtags and location tags. Hashtags and location tags can increase your discoverability on Instagram. Use them wisely to reach a wider audience. 4. Collaborate with others. Collaborate with other Instagram users or brands. When they tag you in their stories, their followers might check out your profile, leading to increased engagement.
What not to do?
Avoid practices that might hurt your ranking. 1. Don't spam your audience with excessive posts. 2. Avoid irrelevant hashtags or tags. Improving your Instagram stories ranking may seem complex, but by understanding the algorithm and implementing the strategies we've discussed, you can increase your visibility and engagement. We hope this guide has been helpful, and we can't wait to see your Instagram stories flourish.